The fundamental existentialist doctrine is that existence precedes essence. Huh. What's that supposed to mean? It means that hell is other people! Let's continue.